Hi all, welcome back to JS Crafters World. This video is on making a beaded flower bouquet. So first we'll check with the materials required. You'll need flower making wire. I have taken silver wire. You can also use golden wire. And then you'll need beads. Here I have chosen pearl beads of 8 mm size. And then for making leaves, I have taken A4 size color paper, and then you'll need floral tape, and then you'll need pliers and a cutter. So now we'll see with the making of a beaded flower. So for this, insert a single bead into the floral making wire and give a bend according to the length of the flower you need, and then give a twist, and to the longer end insert about 6 beads, and then bend the wire around the first bead, and the last end of the wire you have to insert it into the first bead that we have inserted and the first bead of the round we are making. In between that we have to insert it and pull the floral wire. Press the beads in such a way that it sits correctly around the first bead. And then using a plier, twist both the ends of the floral wire. Cut the extra floral wire. The similar pattern you have to do it for the other beaded flowers. So once the flowers are ready, next we can make with the leaf. So for this, take a colored A4 sheet, fold the sheet into half and then refold it again. To this, draw a leaf pattern which we need and then cut the leaf. To each of the beaded flower that we have made, attach the green tape, that is the floral tape, around it and cut the extra. Repeat the same for all the beaded flowers. Now we have to attach the beaded flowers and the leaf to the stem. Here I am using the floral wire itself as a stem. So first cut the floral wire according to the length of the stem you need. Now you can arrange the beaded flowers and the leaves according to the pattern we need. Now if you need, you can use it like this itself, or if you need it as a complete bouquet, then you can wrap all the stems together using a floral tape. So a flower bouquet using beaded flowers is ready. Hope you liked the video. Give us a like and subscribe to the channel. For regular updates, press the bell icon. Thanks again for watching the video. Follow us on Insta and Facebook.